Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Who all are new in my channel, click the subscribe button and you are welcome into my family. Today I'll share with you how to get people to like you. I separate this topic in two parts. Actually, I already edited a video and I discussed this topic on that. But when I upload my video, it shows copyright claim. I don't know why. I upload it again and again, but it doesn't work, so I delete that video. But because this topic is important and I want to share with you, so I edit it again. But this time I separate it into two parts. I hope it will work. So let's jump into our video. Did you ever heard anyone say that I don't care whether people like me or not? I know everyone heard that, and I can also say everyone said that once a time in their life. By the way, we all know the truth. We are humans and we want people to like us. You can say it's our basic desire to be appreciated. We all want someone in our life who will always appreciate our work, who will always like us. So today onwards, if you heard anyone say that I don't care whether people like me or not, just put it down as a fact that he or she is not really telling the truth. The psychologist William James said, one of the deepest drives of human nature is the desire to be appreciated. The feeling of not being wanted or needed is one of the most devastating of all human reactions. This feeling of not being wanted or needed produces frustration, aging, illness. If you have a feeling of uselessness, if nobody needs or wants you, you really ought to do something about it. It's not only a pathetic way to live, but is serious psychologically. Those who deal with the problems of human nature constantly encounter this problem and its unfortunate results. In my next video, I'll share with you 5 rules of how to get people to like you. So if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then click the subscribe button. What you are waiting for? See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.